In this video, we discuss about how to install the Astra Pro WordPress theme. Okay, right now I'm using the theme which is Generate Press free version. Now I am upgrading to the not upgrading. I am changing the theme and also upgrading to the Pro version. Okay, if we go to the themes right now, I have a Generate Press and the Generate Press style theme is the activated. Okay, now uh, I want to install the Astra theme. Then I need to upload the Astra Pro plugin, which is I purchased, and then we have to upload the style theme also, and we have to activate those things. Okay, we will discuss those things step by step on the screen. So first we have to click on the add new, and here you can observe the Astra theme. It is the Astra is very popular, so that's why whenever you go to the directly new a theme space, so there you are observing the Astra theme. So Astra theme is very popular, mostly used WordPress theme. Okay, so it is a multi-purpose theme mainly. Okay, multi-purpose theme in the main. You can use this particular theme to create any type of website, not only blog. So right now, my venkatranda.com is a blog and website. So it is a like portfolio website and also includes the blog also. Okay, so now I want to create the custom home page and the blog section. Okay, so if you want to build the real estate listing website, either a directory listing website, either a job listing website, or either for whatever need you need website, so then you can go with the Astra. So Astra is a multi-purpose WordPress theme. So also there for our some functionalities you have to purchase some plugins. Okay, if you want to create the real estate listing website, then you have to integrate tool set or advanced custom builds. Like that you have to go for those things. Okay, so we will discuss those advanced things in the upcoming tutorials. Just this tutorial how to install and activate the Astra Pro WordPress theme. Okay guys, so let's install this theme. So we have to click on the install button. It will take some time to install based on your internet connection speed. Okay, you have to wait until it happen to install. So once it installed, then you have to click the activate button. It's still in the process to install. It is installing. Okay, the installation completed. Now we have to activate this one. Just click the activate button. Now the theme is activated. So yeah, you have to keep in mind that it is a pre version, Astra pre version. I installed the Astra pre version theme. Okay, so for Pro, you have to purchase. So you can find the discount link in the description. You can find link in the description, and once you go to that link and purchase the Astra Pro, if you want the some advanced functionalities with your blog or website. Okay, so if you want just basic design or basic ones, you can go with the free version. That's you are up to you. So now we have to go to the plugin section, and we have to click on the add new. After that, here we have to select the upload plugin, and we have to upload the file which is purchased. So Astra Pro, Astra add-on plugin, and then you have to click the open, and you have to click on the install now. Again, it will take some time to install this plugin based on your internet connection speed. Okay. So, right now my internet connection speed is very less. I am using on the mobile internet. My Wi-Fi got some problem. The upload file exceeds the upload max file directly in php.ini. గంట కొట్టిందిగా. The upload file exceeds the upload max file size direct to in php.ini. Okay, how to fix this? Don't worry. So we have to manually upload the plugin file to the list, or either you can change the by this particular setting in the php.ini. So which is a complicated. So we will see the how to upload this particular plugin via cpanel. Then we will activate this from the WordPress dashboard. Okay, so I logged into the cpanel, and now we have to go to the corresponding websites plugins folder w content, and then you have to go to the plugins. So there you have to upload your plugin. Upload, select the file. Astra Pro, Astra add-on. Okay, click the open. It's uploading. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we have to extract that one. Just click this. Once go to up one level and come to again plugins. You can find a zip file. You have to just extract this one. Just close. Here we can find our plugins. It is the Astra. Now we have to come back to our plugin section. Install the plugins. See here Astra Pro. So now we have to just activate this one. Just click on the activate. Okay, plugin is activated. Here you have to keep in mind that, so if you are able to upload the plugin directly from your WordPress dashboard, that's fine. You can go further. You have no need to log into cPanel and upload those things. So if you are getting the error as like me, okay, so if you are also get the error as like me, then you have to go to cPanel and you have to locate your website folder, and then you have to go to WP content and then plugins, and there you have to upload your zip file, whatever file you got. So you have to upload there, and you have to extract that zip file, and you have to come back to the WordPress dashboard, and there you have to again activate the plugin. So once plugin is activated, once plugin is installed, after that you have to enter the license key to activate this one. So you can get the license key after purchasing your Astra theme from the particular Brainstorm Force store. Okay, so once you have the activation code, just here please activate your copy of Astra Pro to get update listen access to features. Just click on the activate. So here it is Astra Pro license not active. Here you have to paste your license key. Here I am pasting my license key. After the pasting the license key, just you have to click the active license. That's all. So after you click the active license, so your status will be active. That's all. You have successfully installed the Astra Pro version on your WordPress blog or WordPress website. Next, you have to go to further settings, and here also you have to install some extra features Okay, so just you have to activate the, so what are the features you want. If you want colors and background, then you have to activate typography for activate. So my suggestion is to just here you have a one button, activate all, just click on that. So if you want particular feature, so you can particularly activate. Okay, import or export settings, extra customization, sidebar manager, so you can manually activate those things. Activate. So I think some of these features may not need to you. So that's why you can skip those things. So I am installing all the things. So I need some things like sidebar manager and Astra bulk edit. I need these things. So that's why I am installing, I'm activating. Okay. The video may be lengthy. So we have to discuss all the things step by step. Okay. So that's why I am saying everything clearly to you on the screen. If you have any questions on the WordPress, or if you need any videos related to WordPress, so you can comment below. I am ready to do those particular videos first. So because I have to create the on-demand content, so on-demand user content. So users which content want. So first I will produce that content. So right now I am mostly focusing on the WordPress based content. So that's why. So you have to say your topics related to WordPress in the comments. So I will do those videos. I will give highest priority those topics. Okay, so you can comment below. Now, if you want to display your home page, there are two options. So you can design your home page with the Gutenberg itself. So by default, WordPress you come with the editor Gutenberg. So if you want some advanced styles, then you need to integrate the Elementor also. So you can use the Elementor free version. So if you want the let's more uh, editing advanced features, then you need to go for the Elementor Pro. Okay, we will discuss those things in the upcoming videos, so don't worry. So I will cover those topics also: how to install Elementor, how to use Elementor, how to use the different element in the Elementor, so how to use the different blocks in the block editor like a Gutenberg. So there are different blocks, heading block, paragraph block, list blog. So there are different blogs. So we discuss those things in detail in the upcoming videos. This particular only for the how to install the Astra Pro WordPress theme, step by step process. This is the okay. So I hope this particular video help you. If you love the video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. Okay, guys. Thank you.